To fix an agitator on a washer that's not working, several issues should be considered. A broken lid switch, a worn-out drive belt, or a damaged direct drive motor coupling can all cause problems. To address these issues, start by inspecting the lid switch. Unplug the washer, remove the top panel or cabinet, and locate the switch to ensure it activates when the lid closes. If necessary, remove the switch for testing and use a multimeter to check its voltage. Replace the switch if it doesn't show continuity. Next, check the drive belt by unplugging the washer, locating the belt, and examining it for damage. If the belt is loose, tighten the mounting nut to restore proper tension, and replace the belt if it's worn out or stretched. Finally, inspect the direct drive motor coupling by unplugging the washer, removing the cabinet, and locating the coupling, which may require removing the drain pump and motor. Depending on the washer model, remove and inspect the coupling for damage, replacing it if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a washer with a faulty agitator.